Hello students, in this video we are going to learn basic steps to frame equations. Okay, how to frame the equation. But before understanding and before coming to this topic, we should know how to express certain things using letters in maths. Now always remember children, in maths whenever there is some unknown terms, okay, unknown term is represented by any variable like any alphabets, right? We use any x, y, z, p. So we are using alphabets to denote some unknown terms. Now the very basic thing you just keep in mind children, that in maths sum means addition, which you already know. Difference means minus. Always remember, sum means addition. Here I am writing here, okay, so that you can just keep in mind what is meant by sum. Sum means plus, you already know this. Difference means minus. Again if the term comes less, that means also minus. If if we come across the word greater, that means plus. Clear? So these are some terms which you should be familiar with this term. Okay. Now let us see some statement. Suppose it is given sum of 10. Suppose we have sum of 10 and another number. If we have this type of statement, sum of 10 and another number, then how we will express in letters? Children, sum means plus. Sum of 10 and another number. That means 10 and what is another number? We don't know, right? So you can use any letters instead of this number. Okay, sum of 10 and another number. Suppose we take the letter as x. So it will be what? Sum of 10. That means 10 plus x. Like this way we will frame. Now instead of x children, you can take any other variable. If I say product of 23 and another number. If we say product of 23 and another number. So product means what? You know, multiplication. Product means multiplication. So it will be what children? And another number if we take, again you can take any variable, x, y, z, okay, any variable. So you can take even x also. So it will be 23 into x, okay. This is equal to 23x. Okay, we can write it like this way. Now coming to one more, let us see some more statements. Okay, the number obtained by, okay, so the third one, the number obtained by subtracting, the number obtained by subtracting, the number obtained by subtracting 15 from a number. So see the statement children, the number obtained by subtracting 15 from a number. So what is the question? See, the number obtained by subtracting 15 from a number. Suppose that number, suppose the unknown, another number, we are taking y, subtracting 15. So this will be the statement we are going to express. It will be expressed in symbol y minus 15. See, the number obtained by subtracting 15 from a number. It is not given that from a number 15. No, it is given 15 from a number. So from a number should come first and then 15. Now same we will write the number obtained. Same if it is like this way, the number obtained by subtracting, by subtracting a number from 15. See children, the statement is changing now. The number obtained by subtracting a number from 15. See, from 15 we have to say. So from 15 minus, suppose unknown number we are taking x, so it will be 15 minus x. So I hope children you can note down in your, if you want you can write and keep. Okay. Now let us see some more statements. Suppose it is given a number less than another, a number less than another by 2. Okay, if it is a number less than another by 2, that means children, a number is less than another by 2. So we have to, less comes means we have to minus. So a number, that means a number obtained by subtracting 2 from another number. So it can be, see children, again you can use any letter. Suppose if I say, for example, if I take D, so it will be D minus 2. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, suppose if it is like, I take one more statement, the mangoes left, okay, the mangoes left after eating, the mangoes left after eating 6 from a certain number of mangoes. Now see children, certain number of mangoes. So what it is children? The mangoes left after eating 6 from certain number. See what it is? 6 from certain number. From certain number, you have to stress on from certain number. I don't know the number, so we will take it as x. Okay, from certain number we'll take it as x, and 6 you have eaten, so it will be x minus 6. I hope this much is clear. Okay, now next what we can see, let us take one more statement, important. The quotient of 18, the quotient of 18 divided by the quotient of 18 divided by a number. Okay, the statement is quotient of 18 divided by a number. The quotient of 18 divided by a number. See, the quotient of 18, that means 18 divided by some number, that means divided by x. So I hope children, this, I am just sharing the screen with you. Okay, this much, I hope this is clear. This much is clear to you. Suppose one more, last we take the quotient of a number. It is the quotient, okay, the quotient of a number, divided, the quotient of a number divided, the quotient of a number divided by 18. See children, the quotient of a number, we don't know the number, so x divided by 18, I am just sharing the screen so that you can copy in your some book. So this is the basic things, basic thing you should know before we learn to frame the equation. Okay, now suppose now let us see some more example, and then we'll wind up with this, and then we start with our equations in one variable word problem in the next video. See children, express the following using x in the place of unknown number. Now here they have already said that use x and then, okay, write the express in letters. Now see the first one, the number obtained by subtracting 5 from a number. So the number obtained by subtracting 5 from a number. So how are we going to write? x minus 5. So what it will be, here I am writing here x minus 5, correct? Now coming to the second one, the number obtained by subtracting, okay, the number obtained by subtracting 5 from a number. Now here it is reverse, the number obtained by subtracting a number from 5, so it will be 5 minus x, it will be 5 minus x. Now same way we are doing the remaining questions, okay, same way we are doing the remaining question. The total number of books putting together Sena's books with 6 of Hemant's book. Now see here, the total number of books putting together whose books? Sena's books with 6 of Hemant. Now we don't know the number of Sena's book, how many books are there. So we will write here x plus 6. Same way, next one, the quotient obtained by dividing a number by 24. A number. So what is a number? X. X by 24. Now here the quotient obtained by dividing 24 by a certain number. So it will be 24 divided by x. Correct? By a certain number means x. Now coming to the sixth one, 4 times a certain number. 4 times a certain number means what, children? 4 times means certain number is x. So it will be 4 into x, and that is equal to 4x. 4 into x, that is equal to 4x. Correct? So when you come across this type of terms, 4 times, 2 times, that means you have to write the product. That is 2 times, so 2x. 4 times, 4x. Twice, if you come across the word twice, that also means 2x. Thrice, 3x, like that way. Now product of 4 and another number. So here I am writing a 4 and another number, same like the previous one, 4 into x. Very simple. So you can write 4x. What you can write here? 4x. I am just writing it again properly. So it is 4x. Okay. Now the next one, the product of 1 and another number, 1 into x. What it will be? Product of this will be 1 into x. That is equal to 1x. And simple, you can write here only x. I am just sharing the page with you so that you can write it down. So I hope, children, by this you will, this much we have learned so many statements and we have expressed to write in letters. So this will be very helpful for you when we are going to frame equations for the word problems, that is equations in one variable. So that video also I am preparing now, and after this I am sending that video also. Okay, children? So please do watch the video nicely. If you want, see the video 2 times for better understanding, and understand the basic steps so that it is easy for you to frame the equations and solve the word problems. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.